Okay guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to install Subversion. As you can see on my screen here, it's saying that Subversion folder not found. So the link to download Subversion is seeksvn.com, silksvn.com. So once you're there, you click on download, and once you're there, you just click on, you can see here Subversion clients. You can see SVN 1.14.5 32-bit, and you can see the 64-bit, and yeah, so let's click on the 64-bit, and then we download that. And once it's downloaded, I'm just going to click here. I could open the folder, but I'm going to click here to open it. Okay. As you can see, this is the file. I'm going to double click in here and then click more info, run anyway, and then click on accept the terms, and there click install. So we wait for it to install. For now, let's click close that. Okay, so it's finished. Click finish, and then we go back to the software that's displaying that error. Click on this and then go into the folder. You can see it's C drive, program files, SIG SVN. And once you're here, you don't really need to do anything. Just select this folder and then click select folder, and then click save. As you can see, that error is resolved, and that is how you resolve the Subversion folder not found. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.